Hello, welcome back to So Alexa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to upcycle a pair of denim jeans into a beautiful denim skirt. Start off by trying on your jeans to determine where you want your skirt to start. Use chalk or pins to mark your cutting line. Start by folding the jeans in half, aligning the side seams. Cut straight across your mark. Now you'll have shorts. Cut them if they're still too long. Cut along the side seams to separate the front from the back. You should now have one front panel and one back panel. Measure the width of the bottom edge of the front panel. This number determines how wide your patchwork panel needs to be. Mine is about 24 inches in width. Next, grab your denim scraps. Different washes, textures, and weights work beautifully. Cut them into various shapes and sizes, some small, most large for visual contrast. Iron out all the pieces to free the wrinkles. Use the Raw Edge Patchwork method to start piecing the scraps together. If you're new to this, check out my 8 denim patchwork styles video for step-by-step patchwork techniques. Pin your pieces together, then sew them down using a straight stitch, leaving the raw edges exposed for texture. Continue building your patchwork until it's wide enough to match your front and back panel measurements. Here's the first piece I plan to use for the front, and here's the back piece. They both measure about 24 inches in width and about 28 inches in length. Prepare a piece of muslin fabric. Take the width measurement of the front panel and divide that by 2. Then add 1 inch for seam allowance. Next, decide your skirt length, for example, 28 inches from top to bottom. At the hem, measure out about 19 inches to create a slight flare. Connect the top and bottom points with a diagonal line for a gentle A-line shape. Curve the bottom edge for a smooth hem. At the top, drop about 1/2 inch and curve that line slightly for a more natural waist shape. Next, fold your patchwork in half and then lay your muslin pattern on top of your patchwork piece to make sure it's wide enough and long enough. If it's not, add more denim scraps until it fits comfortably. You want to take your muslin pattern and the straight edge, you want to place that on the fold of the denim patchwork fabric and then cut out your piece. You'll cut out one piece for the front panel and one piece for the back panel. Pin your patchwork front piece to the front panel of the jeans. Sew them together using a straight stitch. Repeat for the back panel. Then align both sides of the skirt, pin the side seams, and sew them down. You can leave the hem raw for a frayed, distressed look or fold and sew it for a clean finish. And here's the finished product. I'm so happy with how it turned out. The skirt is pretty. It's giving autumn, pumpkin patch, 70s vibes. She's giving Satisfy My Soul by Bob Marley. She's giving environmentalism. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, ask questions, share, and subscribe to my channel for more.